Citric acid. It's more than just the tangy kick in your favorite citrus fruits. Found naturally in citrus fruits, citric acid is a weak organic acid with a myriad of uses. In its pure form, citric acid is a white crystalline powder, and it's used in various industries. It's a common food additive, giving a sour flavor to candies, soft drinks, and even some desserts. Citric acid plays a pivotal role in the dyeing process of fabrics, especially when using natural or acid dyes. Citric acid is a versatile ingredient, commonly used in soap making to adjust the pH level, enhance the soap's properties, and act as a chelating agent. Citric acid is also a powerful cleaning agent, removing hard water stains and acting as a chelating agent binding to metals. In cosmetics, it helps to adjust the pH level, ensuring products remain safe for our skin. It's used in pharmaceuticals as a stabilizer and to make certain medicines more soluble. Industrially, citric acid is used in the production of biodegradable plastics. It also plays a role in treating wastewater. But beyond these applications, citric acid is essential for our body's metabolic processes. Known as the citric acid cycle, or Krebs cycle, it's a fundamental pathway in cellular respiration, helping produce energy for our cells. From the tangy fruits we love, to the products we use daily, citric acid truly touches every facet of our lives. Next time you enjoy a citrusy treat, or use a cleaning product, remember the versatile power of citric acid.